Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a cleaning video for you guys, and this is what I call the 30-minute hustle. So basically it is very similar to Kimberly from Style Mom XO's Power Hour. It's just half the time, but the rules are the exact same. You make a list, you turn off your phone, your TV, you can listen to some music, you don't answer any calls, you don't answer the door, none of those things. You just bust your butt for 30 minutes. And basically it's just to knock out all of the things that you need to get done in the shortest amount of time, but as efficiently as possible. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys my list and let's get on to today's 30-minute hustle. So first up on today's list is pick up the toys and the shoes, clean the dining table, do the windows in the living room, do the dishes and the counters, hoover the floor in the living, dining, kitchen area, fold the laundry that is in the laundry horse, then put on a load of laundry, change Ava's sheets, clean her crib, and then mop the kitchen floor. So that is everything I hope to achieve in the next 30 minutes. So come along and clean with me, guys.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you say you wanna dance, you're worried, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun, why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun, what if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze-lit cigarettes trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off, put the feeling on ice still. She's as cold as December. I swear I've seen you before, holding your shoes in your hands, running out that door. And you are nothing, but you say you wanna dance. And you're worried, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze-lit cigarettes trying to take me home. roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story, these places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is.
So you can see I've gone over by 2 minutes, or maybe, yeah, 2 minutes on my 30-minute hustle, and I haven't finished everything. But just to show you what I have done from the list. So I hoovered, did a load of laundry, changed Ava's sheets, did her crib. So I have to mop the floor and fold the underwear. So I'm just gonna do that now. So that should only take me like 5-10 minutes. And yeah, let's just go till the end.
And I'll keep on growing. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is.
So there you have it, guys. That is today's video. It is 5:54, so 6 minutes to 4. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to hit that little bell button because it lets you know every single time I upload a new video. Don't forget I have a social media, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Also have a blog that you can check out. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!